Welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm going to show you I'm going to say one of the most unanswered things in video editing, producing, kind of anything like that really. Um, and that is what volume your clip should be. Okay, so you can just do it with some headphones on, make until it sounds right, or you can go the kind of standard way with decibels. So I'm going to play this sound here, and I want you to pay attention to these yellow bars. They're at the bottom at the moment, but they should come in around this area. So let's play it and see where they are. Okay, so you saw those yellow bars. They're between 0 and -6 decibels. Okay, that's not what we want. Ideally, we want those yellow bars to be between the -6 and the -12 decibels. Okay, that's kind of the standard. So let's go into audio gain and let's just change it so it's a little bit lower so we can get a little bit closer. Okay, now we're on -5. Let's see where they are now. There you go, perfectly between -6 and -12. Literally just play around with your audio until you get it within that threshold. But yeah, that is how you do it. That is the kind of level you want your volume to be. I don't see it very often, but I hope this helps. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.